This video is designed to help you create an effective and actionable to-do list in less than 5 minutes. Before you begin, it's recommended that you find a quiet location to perform this exercise. First, take out a blank piece of paper or create a new note in your favorite application. Without referencing any other list or document, write down at least 3 tasks that you want to complete in the next 24 hours. Ready? Go. Next, open up your calendar and review your upcoming commitments. Look at all the events and meetings you have in the next 2 to 3 days. Write down any additional tasks that come to mind while reviewing your schedule. Ready? Begin. Next, open up any existing tools or reference documents you use to manage your projects. It could be an existing to-do list or a project management app. Write down any additional tasks that come to mind while reviewing this information. Ready? Go. Now, take a good look at everything you've written on your list. Select which item is most important to the people you serve. For example, which task will be most beneficial to your customers, your coworkers, or your manager? Once you've identified this task, underline or highlight it in some way. Next, select which item is most important to you. For example, which task will benefit you and your life the most? Once you've identified this task, underline or highlight it in some other way. You've now identified the 2 most important tasks on your to-do list. I encourage you to do everything in your power to complete these 2 tasks before you move on to anything else on your list. I hope you've enjoyed using the 5-minute to-do list. Remember, being productive doesn't need to be difficult. In fact, it's very simple.